Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Today is Tuesday and we are already making fire. So yesterday I told you there was a little bit of a decent support on the 4-hour time frame. So we're not gonna go to the main target, which is actually $21,800. We didn't actually make it all the way up there, and I gave you this stop loss of $20,554. It's taken away. So at the moment we are also down at 19,800. So two stop losses are being taken, and two blue line that I was looking forward to is already taken. I told you the better scenario for me was that, if you try to break above 21,000, 22,000, back test this line and then try to move up, and that would be amazing. But you didn't do that. You start the sell off pretty early. So it seems like the bottom is not in. And by the way, let's talk about the bottom. You see, if this was your bottom, let's say if Bitcoin bottomed out like this, okay, then that in the history of bottoming out for Bitcoin, that would have been the most innocent bottom that I've ever seen. Because when you come down like this and you you just bottom out and you want to go up, that would be rare case. That would be like once in a lifetime kind of thing, because Bitcoin loves to bottom out when everyone is scared. Bitcoin loves to spread fear in the market before moving up. So then a lot of people have their stop losses down here, so it doesn't really make sense to continue higher, in my opinion. Okay, so sooner or later this stop loss is always meant to be taken away. Now, even if I'm not saying take that stop loss and go to $8,000, even though that's still in play on a monthly. But the thing is that, maybe if you want to bottom out very quickly, is at least take that stop loss, huge wick, and then go up. Something like this even does make sense for a bottoming out. Okay, you never did anything like that. It doesn't even make sense to just try to climb up all of a sudden. They can just push it down, take stop loss, boom, go up. So that's what makes sense to bottom out for Bitcoin. Now, anyway. I'm into the daily time frame, and you can see we do have that 3 black rows at the moment on the daily. We're selling off. Today we have 18 hours, 19 hours to close the candle, and from here tomorrow you can actually see a little bit of green back up to 20,135, and then boom, continue lower and lower and lower. So put your stop losses. Set your stop losses. The biggest stop loss of them all is going to be $17,600. Take out $17,600 and go even lower from there. And that's pretty much it for this Bitcoin update. Not feeling so good. It's winters here. I'm having some flu and whatnot. So yeah, I'm still going to try to push the updates as well. And I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.